Well, thank you for joining me on exercise 2A. I'm going to be looking at question 2F. And this says determine which of the following graphs represent functions. For those that are functions, state the domain and range. For those that do not represent functions, give a reason why. Let's have a look at F, and I'll start by getting a vertical line test and passing it across. So we've got this vertical line and we start at this point here. Notice there's a circle on that point, a hollow circle, and that doesn't include that point, but if you go across, there's only one wherever the line is, there's only one value. So make it easier, let me just plot this. So we've got a 2 or 1, we go down to -2, and we go across to 3, and we go back to -4. 1, 2, 3. And that way I can sort of show you a little bit easier. Let's put the X, put the Y, so you can see what we're talking about. We've got this point here, -4, 0 at hollow circle, and it finishes at 3, 0 at hollow circle. Very careful with that. And the line originally, if I use this ruler, it goes down to that point there. It then goes up to the point 1, 1, so on -1, and then it sort of levels out and goes across to the position 2, 1, and then it drops down to that position 3, 0, but it doesn't include 3, 0, so there's this hollow circle there. Now if we put this ruler back, it's a vertical line, so we go back to 90 degrees. As you pass the ruler over the red line, that you can see that at every position, you just got one Y value. Wherever you pass it across, it's just one Y value. No matter where you go, there's always just one, and there isn't a place where there's more than one. So we can say, yes, this is a function. And let's have a look at our domain. The domain starts at -4 and finishes at 3. So it's all real numbers such that it starts at -4 and finishes at 3. The thing is, we don't use less than or equal to sign because it's a hollow circle. If it's a hollow circle, we use that X is that point -4 is less than X, not less than or equal to. If it's a solid circle, colored in, we would use a less than or equal to, then we would say it also includes -4. So this doesn't include the -4, it doesn't include the 3. Let's look at our range. The lowest value on our range, that's our Y values, a real number such that the lowest number on our range is -2 and the highest value is 1. So we could say that its lowest value is -2 and its highest value is 1. And it includes -2 and it includes 1. So that's a little bit different. I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.